Watch it. Oh! That was about as good of a freshwater strike as you're gonna get right there. What's up everybody, it's Real Cool Adventures. Today we're after peacock bass. They're spawning right now, they're everywhere, and the water's nice and stagnant, and they're literally tailing up and down the canals. What we have is bull mud minnows. I've got an owner, I'll show you exactly what I'm using here, okay? I've got a 2.0 and a 1.0 owner, black chrome mosquito hook. I'll just go ahead and show you right there, zoom in on that thing. This, to me, this hook is super sharp. These peacock bass have really hard cartilage in their mouth, so I want something that I can just give a nice little jerk and it sets right in the corner of their lip of their mouth, and if they were to choke or anything happens on these, they rust out really fast and they digest them and they live to see another day. So these are my go-to hook. But anyway, I've got a 15-pound fluorocarbon leader tied to 30-pound braided line. It's kind of beat up a little bit from hitting the rocks on the way here, but I don't have the patience to re-rig it. We're gonna go ahead and get into it. So if you guys have already seen our bull mud minnow video, you'll know exactly how to catch these, and you'll see that, and you already know everything about them. I've got my whole bucket load of mud minnows. I put the weed on top so they won't jump out. Oh, like that little home skillet. Now check them out, they got a small little mouth, nice little shine to them. They look delicious. What I'm gonna do is, there's literally peacocks swimming as we're talking up and down the shore here, and they're all balled up into a group. And I'm whispering, but I don't even think it matters. But instinctively, I'm gonna whisper. So another cool part of these bull mud minnows, whoa, is they jump out of everything. That's not the cool part, is they stay on the surface. And we'll show you what we mean by that in a minute in the video. The cool part is they stay on the surface, so if you're around a weeded area, a lot of other baits, shiners, shad, they'll dive right into the weeds. These guys like to stay up on the top and stay moving. If you have a kid, or anybody for that matter, these are the best bait in my opinion, because you can cast them, they're really tough, and that's it. Just like that, right through the mouth. Let's get into the action. They're literally all over here. I throw it in. Ooh, there's one on the bed right there. Oh, I feel like he just got picked up. Oh, big boil. Oh, I'm on. I'm on. Nice fish. Pull and drag. This never gets old with these guys. I'm trying to keep them out of the rocks. Got my drag set fairly loose because, oh, it's a good one, because I'm using a really tiny hook. So I don't want to overpower the hook and pull it out of the fish's mouth. And this stud is coming with us. And watch, I don't know if you can see with the glare or not, but as I'm fighting this fish, there's literally 20 or 30 other ones trying, because they think he's trying to mate the other fish or whatever, because they're in heat right now. They're literally like trying to bang into him. Watch this, he's gonna get acrobatic here. I'm just gonna flip him up. Yes. That's our first peacock bass of the day. Hooked right in the corner of the mouth. Doesn't get any better than that. And what a great bait. Hands down, one of the best baits to me in the world, because there's no downtime. They get hit, struck really fast. But we're gonna keep catching them and see how big a one we can catch. There's one right there on the bed. I don't know if you can see him standing on the white sand. I'm gonna go ahead and let this guy go. We're gonna keep catching him. Watching out for snakes, gators. Woo! Here he is. Check him out. How pretty is that? Let's catch another one. Exercise. Let me call my brother, see where he is. Maybe we'll have a contest. Hey, I need you to get over here. I found the secret to catching these things. Don't tell anybody.
About 15 minutes or so, I'll be back.
All right, get on your trike and get here. Now, We're gonna catch a couple more because I'm not waiting on them. Okay, here's my favorite size right here. A lot of the ones I have in there are a little on the big side, but the way these things are feeding right now, they're all going to get eaten. So I take that, just go up through the nostrils, just like that. Now most baits you wouldn't sit here and video like that because they'd be dead already, but not these jokers. These jokers are lean, mean. Now, another reason I'm putting a bobber on there is that gives me a little bit of weight so I can cast to the other side. Oh look, there he is, she's got smoked. Let me try that again. Oh, he just came, there he is. Oh, do you see that? Came out of nowhere. Oh, he's back on it. He's biting the bobber. That's how aggressive these things are. That joker bit the bobber. You know the fishing is on fire when they're biting your bobber and your dead minnow. So I casted right on that white pipe, its structure, and I can literally see when something swims over the pipe, and I just saw a big dark shadow swim over it. Now when I pull it away, I'm hoping he'll strike it, but it is dead. So I'm gonna go ahead, save him and put on a fresh bait. Oh, got just picked up on the way back. What's up with that? They're so aggressive right now. They literally hit that thing on the way back. I'm gonna try just reel. There it is. I'm on. Oh, get out of the structure. Get out of the pipe. Light drag. Probably 4 or 5 pounds of drag. And this is a decent fish. And there's literally other ones trying to rip the bait out of his face. Nice fish. They're all a couple pounds. This one I'm just gonna flip him up, reel down, put my hand on, flip him up the bank. Yeah! Hope that didn't scare him all away. Fishing is on fire. Sorry, Matthew, you're late. Whew. Check that out, right in the corner of the mouth. Nice, beautiful peacock bass. These guys are delicious. This is probably, if you've seen our ceviche video, this is my favorite freshwater fish, that and snakehead, to eat. These are the only two that I would really eat basically raw out of here. Check that out. Nice big bump on his head. How cool is that? Let's catch another one. Thought he said he was exercising. Apparently he's exercising with his foot on the pedal. Thought you said you were riding a bike. Look at these peacocks, they're everywhere. They're freaking out. Grab a rod.
Peacock bass everywhere.
They're everywhere. And it's hot. What's up, everybody? This is my brother Matt, also known as Showing Up Late, but he thinks he's going to actually outfish me. So if you know my brother, you've seen him in the tarpon video we did where I outperformed him like 10 to 1. And he thinks he's gonna get redemption today. We're gonna find out right now. So I've got a whole bucket, as you already know, of bull mud minnows. We're tying on new leader. Another cool part about this is when they're feeding like this, if you have 2 guys, one will get them fired up. When he's got it on, you can pitch another bait right behind him, which Matt normally is in second place with me. And we'll see who catches him.
Right there.
Ready? What are you doing?
There's peacock right there.
Oh. Okay, maybe you know what you're doing. That was beginner's luck. Watch when his line comes by mine. There'll be a whole nother school of them coming with it.
You got it?
And mine should get eaten if it doesn't get tangled up. That was luck. Are there any others with it?
No, when I pulled up, I saw this one sitting there. There's one right there.
Okay.
I'll keep him in the water.
Keep him in the water. Where's that other one?
That was quick. Yeah.
That was luck. Are there other ones spawning with it? Or? Oh, you can go ahead and get him in. He's a little smaller than the ones I've been catching. Luck. Oh, he might be a hair bigger. You guys, in the links down below, tell us who you think caught the biggest fish so far. I would say we're almost tied. I might be leading him by a little. Lucky. Oh. Oh. Come on. Are you on? Yep. My fish is bigger by a lot.
Oh.
Yeah, my fish is way bigger.
Whoa, you see that?
Look, this is what a real one looks like. Oh. Big head shakes. Nasty. Nasty fish. Woo! That. It's a beautiful. Beautiful butterfly peacock bass. Let's catch another one. What do you have, one so far?
One, yeah.
And I figured tearing them up. You know what, just for, whoa, stay in there, no. They're slippery too. Like a little baby hot dog. Here we go again. Right up through the mouth. Now I like to keep the weight of the hook on the bottom side of the chin. That makes it swim upright, kind of do its little, do this, you know? But they're biting everywhere, so. Once again, I'm trying to fish structure. There's a white sprinkler pipe over there. You can literally go down. Oh, did you see that? Wasn't even paying attention. Bam, smoked. Oh, smoked it. Watch it. Oh, back on. That was about as good of a freshwater strike as you're gonna get right there. Just the power these little jokers have. In my opinion, the most powerful fish we have out here are those bullseye snakeheads, and these guys are right up in line with them. They're fierce, they fight to the end, and they're really pretty. They're actually brought in here by FWC to take out a lot of the invasive stuff. I feel like my line's gonna break on this one. A little bit bigger one. How cool is that? Get down. Right in the corner of the mouth again. Now, a lot of you wouldn't use a hook that small, but it works. And what I was trying to tell you earlier, why I use such a sharp little hook like that, is their mouth. I don't know if you can hear that. Hear that knock knock? It's like a plastic ring on there. We're catching fish today. Let me get them back in the water. Beautiful fish. All these so far about 2 pounds. Let's see if we can get a bigger one. Jump, little buddy. Oh, they're tearing these minnows up.
Oh my God, they're busting everywhere.
Where? Seriously?
Mm-hmm.
Try to catch them from the other side. Anybody can catch them on this side. Oh, that was weeds, I think. And this is 100% my favorite style of fishing, because I have no patience. If you've watched any of our other videos, you know I have no patience. And this right here, it's like, just, you're right into the action. It's not like, oh, I don't know, did you get a bite? No, look at that, something's spooking him. Something's chasing him. Something's on him hot. I'm gonna open up my drag, let it chase him a little more. I don't know what's going on. Uh-oh, tangle. No more tangles. Johnson, no more tangles. That little minnow is cooking. He is a trooper. Oh! And I missed it. Oh, he's back.
the marks on this thing. This thing's been hit.
I was just letting you catch all the small ones, and now I'm gonna turn my A game on. All right, and that's how you catch peacock bass on bull mud minnows. We'll see you on the next adventure.